And when you do that, your campaign would look like this na. You see that there are people na meron ng natatag as purchase and meron na siyang purchase conversion value. And you don't want that conversion value to degrade, no? Over time, what you want is mag-increase yung purchase conversion value na yan. This is a live campaign that we have right now. And how you will do that is to make sure you segment your audience. Inside your advertising settings, kailangan mong i-segment now yung mga existing customers mo na bumibili na inside Facebook. Create a custom audience. The updated one looks like this. Create, then always choose sales. Then, sa custom audience mo, the updated one looks like this. Inside your ads manager, sa ad set level, we will define the custom audience. Then, create a new one. Then, select itong Facebook page. Now, here's the crazy part. Before, the only available option is the people who sent a message to your page. But before, people who sent a message to your page are low quality people. There's no way for them to be tagged as purchaser or lead. But ngayon, check this out.